welcome back to my channel. What I have for you today is a spring wreath DIY, and I'm going to be using items from the Dollar Tree and probably Walmart. This could be an all Dollar Tree DIY if you wanted to use Dollar Tree's floral, but I think I want something a little bit different. So let me show you what you'll need in case you want to make this really cute little simple wreath. Okay, you're going to need a willow wreath from the Dollar Tree, and as you can see, it's kind of large, really. So you'll need one of those. Then I hauled these for you once before, and I called them roses, and some of you told me they weren't roses, and they're not, but I can't say the name, so I'll put it up there. But I think they were $3, and they came from Walmart, and I just loved them when I saw them. So I'm pretty sure I want to put this in the DIY. Then I hauled this from Walmart quite a while ago, and it was $4, and I've used it many times, and I think it's just it just says stem, okay, but when you get it, it's really full, okay, but I've used a lot off of that, so I think I will incorporate those two things. Now you could incorporate or just use the hydrangeas from the Dollar Tree. I love pink and purple, and that would be very pretty. And then this is a hyacinthia, but I just think I want something different for this one. But I'm definitely going to be using my Crafter Square finger protectors that I hauled from the Dollar Tree. You need a glue gun. I just used some old Klein pliers that my husband let me have to cut my stems, and they work very nicely. So let me go ahead and cut everything off and turn the camera down, and we'll get started. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to cut some of this off from Walmart. And I'm gonna cut them kind of long because I'm not really sure what I'm going to do. I think I will try to kind of weave it in there. I've done that before. You could hot glue it. It's just whatever really works. I don't really worry about it. It's just as long as it works. Okay, and I'm going to cut this excess off. Okay, and just sort of, I think I may want to put it just up the sides a little ways. I'm not sure. I just got to kind of play with it and see what I want. But I want this to be like a base for my little flowers to set on. And that's what we're getting so far. You could just do something like this and it would be really pretty, okay? And this is a really good deal at Walmart. Like I said, I've had these for a while. I've probably had them, I don't know, maybe a month. Not really sure how long I've had them. Okay, like that, and I think I may put just a little bit down here because I think it needs a little something, but I don't want it to be too much. Let's see. I can always add to it, so I think I'm going to stop right here until I decide what I want to do. Maybe I will add a little bit more. See, that's what I do. I start doing it, and then I'm like, oh, maybe I should add more. Maybe I should add more. Okay, let me just stop with this, and let's see. All right, now here's our rose. They're not roses, but they look like them to me. Okay, so we're going to cut these back. And I'm going to put this right. I may have to actually glue some of this because this isn't like a grapevine wreath, but it may work. Okay, I put that right like that. I think that's so sweet. And wreaths are so expensive if you would, you know, buy these out. Oh, they're crazy expensive. So I'm just going to, I cut two together like this, and I'm just going to put this one right in here. Okay, and I may actually cut some of these. Did I just get one bunch of these? I better make sure. I don't want to use them all. think maybe I will put those right like that. And you could always, you know, glue this one right here if you wanted it closer. But I don't know, I'm still looking. Okay, like that. That's what we're getting so far. Actually, it's like that, okay? And then I think I will cut this one off. And I think I want to have one right down in here. If I can snug it in, I will. If not, I will glue it. But it's snugged right in. I think that is so cute. Now I need something down in here, I think. So I'm going to take a little bit more of this greenery and just weave it in here. Like I said, you can glue it. It would be really fine to glue it. There's not a thing wrong with it. And that's what we're getting. I think you could really do this all the way around. I don't think I have the supplies for all the way around. But I think I just really want it just halfway. Something like that. And then I need to add a few more little flowers. And so far we haven't even glued anything. Now, if you think that this one is too much, you could always cut this off. I think I will cut this off short. And just put that right in there like that. That was bothering me. It was so long. But it's just to your taste, whatever you like. It doesn't really matter. And then I think I'll stick this one right here. Just stick it right in between. And you could add a bow or you could leave it without a bow. It's entirely up to you, whatever you decide that you want to do. And you can flip this greenery around however you want. I might want one more flower. Let me look. And we are almost done. Right there. Do I want that or do I not like it? I think it adds. Let me look at one other little bud. Some of them are smaller than the others, and I might want to put it somewhere else. And I think I want to cut this one because it's bothering me that it's sticking up. I don't like it sticking up. I don't know that I like that one. I think I want to put it more. Okay, we are finished and we'll take a look at it. Okay, here it is. I think it is so pretty. I love it just trailing so natural around through here. Like I said, you could go all the way around the wreath if you wanted. You could add a bow if you wanted. I just wanted something really simple that looked kind of French country farmhouse. And this would even work with Tuscan. And if you wanted, I like the natural color of this willow wreath, but you could spray paint it white. You could take some paint, like chalk paint or acrylic paint, and dry brush this to give it a more kind of shabby chic look. But I love how this turned out. So I'll see you on Wednesday for my planner, and then on Friday, I'm not sure, it's gonna either be a DIY or something very interesting. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.